Clack, 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 clack. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a furniture shopping vlog for you guys. I did go furniture shopping like a while back. Like as you guys can see, I am in my new house. Nails a mess, background a mess, face not done. I just got home from school, but I quickly just wanted to start off this video so it's not just like a furniture shopping vlog with no introduction. So with that being said, welcome to my furniture vlog. Furniture shopping vlog. I like the couch though. Too bad it doesn't fit, but like us. You don't like anything? We should check for like a half. This kashi? Wow. I like it too. Open the kashi, let me see. Oh, it only, oh, okay. It only opens like that?
Have the other side as well, I guess.
I mean, I guess that's kind of cute. Automatic something. Okay, let's keep looking. Look, they have a smaller version too. Oh, I like this kashi.
It's an okay bed. The hottest kashi in it.
Look at what they put on the bed. Oh, this is soft. I like this color.
Ain't got no good light. Come a little more this side. It's a better lighting. Come here so you can go under the light, do you? A little too much light. 2 steps back. 1 step forward. No, you have to do it.
Okay, but how does it look good?
Turn it
Like
to the
this,
side.
it doesn't look
The cup to the side.
like this?
Yeah. Nah, it don't look bad.
I like this color. What do you think about this color for the room? Like accent colors. You like it? Oh, I like this one. How do you feel about this? Keep us to say you don't like it?
No.
I think it's creepy. I don't want that in my house.
I don't want nothing to resemble bones of any kind in my
I like the bed though. It's a nice bed. I like the color of this though. Oh, look at this chair. What's the price of this chair? But
349.
that's too much.
Turn it around.
It's a nice chair though. Pamikas for now.
It's smoking hella crack if they think this chair worth 300.
It's really comfortable. You could come back, please. This is something that I would want for the house. Where the hell did this boy go? Oh Jesus! This is my song, Arian.
Making my way through.
Sipping this yak, niggas about to get blown with the Mac.
That was a good one. Oh look, if I wanted like a princess pink.
Yo, man's finna get shot.
Clack, 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 clack. I really like the princess pink, but I don't want princess pink in my thing. What about this chair?
That's an old woman chair.
Yeah, no, I don't really like this chair either.
From a chair, judging children.
No, I don't really like that chair either. You like this? I would love to have this. This looks so comfortable. You don't like it?
The size is nice. The price is horrific. The color, more material.
Okay, the price isn't so bad for a big couch like this though.
I could buy a car with that much.
That's true. We could buy a car.
Not you, me.
Okay, you could buy a car with that money. And I'll drive the car.
No.
I like it though. It's a cute couch. What about this table? I like this table. You think that's cute? Because there's beer in it? It's cute to put in the kashi though. Din, 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 din. Okay, we made it to IKEA. Okay, so we're on the lookout for the kashi that I want. Arya, I'm talking to you. Ooh! Oh, and we have to look for a chair. Like this, for example. I don't feel like I like this chair. It's 180 euro. No? Looks a little old. Okay. Let's keep it moving. But I feel like this is still too big.
You think?
No, not that part. I mean just this. Think it's too big?
Yes.
Okay.
Everybody have long legs.
Yeah, but it's just for me to be able to sit on.
Yeah, but if you want to lay back, you have to get the legs suspended in the air.
Yeah, but I'm not planning on having a lot of people in the house. And if there are a lot of people, then everyone just sits on the floor. Because there's not a lot of space. I wonder how much it cost. I don't see a price. What do you think? It's like, just shake yes or no. But then the gray one, obviously, because that color is not, I don't really like it either, but I mean, it would, look, it's cheap. It's 80 euros. It's 80 euros, right? So it would easily be good to have in the thing. You like that one? Okay, so I might do this one, but it's 290 euros for just that one little piece there. So I don't know how I feel about that. It's too expensive to me. Because then you have this right here. Okay, wait, this is way too expensive. We're not going for that one. It's 400 euros. Then we have this one is also 400. So we can't do that either. But we could always look online for a second-hand one. So this is the one that it is. Maybe someone's selling it second-hand. Then again, it feels like it's a little too big. This one is 210 euros. Which is kind of okay. And you can even store things in here, so that's really handy. I don't know. This one is 390. I really like the color. I love it. So looking at all the different prices, I think the smartest thing for me to do is to get this as a couch or like a comfy chair to sit in, because it's only 30 euros, but I don't know if I really like it. If I do get it, I think I would get it in black. I don't know, I had it in my old house, so I don't know if I'm gonna like having it again, because I never used to use it, you know? Okay, so I'm thinking about getting this as like a little salon table, or I could just go for the regular $5.99 table, that one right there, and just get it in white. Or I was even thinking to get this, because then I could just use this as a table, put stuff on top, and then keep some throws in here. What do you guys think? You like it? No?
No?
I like it, Aryan.
That's good. You're supposed to like it.
I know, but I think it's... I want you to like it too. Look, they also have just one. Or in white.
Only half as ugly.
I know. Okay, well, I like the black. I'm excited to decorate and put some things in it. And then also use it as a background to film. I know, I like it. I'll definitely take this one. I kind of like the white too, but I don't know. I feel like this one just looks more like luxurious and fancy. Yeah, so I'm just gonna get it in this one. Because now, look, if I have this, right, I could edit at the table, do schoolwork at the table, just be comfortable and be motivated. I think it's good. The Alex drawers. I've always wanted these to store all the makeup in and stuff. I mean, I could still get it. Give it a pen sa Arian. Store all my makeup in there. And some hair products at the bottom. So we'll get this to put clothes in. And underwears and stuff. Some jeans. Some shirts. I was thinking about getting the smaller one first, but I don't think that's going to be smart because I also want to put my TV on it. So I think putting a TV on this would be good to do. Anyway, so that was it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I know it's a little all over the place. I didn't really know yet what I was looking for. It was just a lot of, I mean, not specifically what I was looking for. I knew a couple of things that I really wanted, but a lot of things were just very blank, and I just didn't know what would fit in the place and what would look good. But I really wanted to visit some more stores, but that actually didn't end up happening because it was just too much moving out and moving in and just a lot of stress and then exams, and it was just way too much. So I decided to not go furniture shopping anymore and just do with the furniture that I do have right now. So in my next video, you guys will be able to see me unpack and just basically get this place a little situated. It's not completely done yet, but you guys really wanted to see a time lapse, so that will be my next video. Anyways, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah. Bye.
Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy.